Good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is another headphone unboxing and first impressions. As you can see, all here in the box ready to go, courtesy of Soundpeats. These are the Soundpeats Clip1. Clues in the name, they clip onto your ears. I'm going to do a unboxing and first impressions. So far, it's the first thing that made me happy is the fact that this is I can't remember the last time I bought a product. It didn't say AI on the box somewhere, so thank you for that. We have won a couple of awards by the looks of it. It's high res, LDAC, Dolby audio, but I always thought LDAC didn't work over Bluetooth. But hey-ho, they're the experts, I guess, right? They wouldn't just slap something on for marketing. Here's the difference. Blank. Yeah, 40 hours already been over that. And then what's this say down here? Self-adaptive left-right audio channels. Huh. Does that mean they know when they're on the left ear and on the right ear? How do they know? Do they use AI by any chance? Anyway, Dolby audio. Yeah, I said that already. So let's open it up. I'll try them on. And yeah, give you my first impressions. Obviously, a full review video will follow. I've got a couple of review videos in the works because I don't like to review something unless I've had a lot of time with the product. So I'm not going to review something after like 48 hours. That just seems stupid to me. One of the review videos I've got coming up is a 12-month later. So yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for that. Things have been a little chaotic lately, so the consistency has been low, but ramping up, gearing up. So make sure you subscribe. Down here. So let's unbox these. Not quite the Apple unboxing experience there, which is patented, believe it or not. Apparently they use a certain amount of air, so it just drops out the box. That's a nice little pill-sized package, though. I do like this. Then open it up, and we've got the two earpieces. Left and right, they look rather funky. So they just clip onto the outside of the ear, and apparently you can still hear the sound. Wonderful. You can even hear the difference, apparently. Let's have a look around the box. USB Type-C, always a win. Probably no wireless charging, I imagine. So these retail for around about £70 on Amazon at the time I checked when these got delivered. I will leave a link in the description. It will be an affiliate link. If you do use that, it helps me out. Doesn't cost you anything extra. So please do give it a little click. I would appreciate it. I'm going to pop that to the side for the minute and look to see if there's anything else in the box. Nothing there. So that's just empty space. And it does seem like there's something in the lid. So can we get in here? They don't really make packaging accessible, do they? There we go. So in here is a little envelope, a user guide which is pretty thick for some headphones, and some pandas because obviously why wouldn't there be little are they stickers? Are they? Yeah. Why wouldn't there be little stickers of cartoon panda? When yeah, what is right? So there's no mention of pandas anywhere. Soundpeats, I mean, they're from China. Pandas are in China, I guess, but okay. That's the most random thing I think I've ever unboxed in my life. It's panda stickers, and I'm like overly happy about that. So what? Anyway, let me connect these, and then we'll try them on and see how they sound, see how they work. Stay tuned. Okay, so setting them up then was pretty simple. Just your normal standard setup with Bluetooth headphones. Go to your Bluetooth settings, scan. There they are, Soundpeats Clip1. Which is good because sometimes you get these Chinese manufacturers who, I mean, I've not heard of Soundpeats before. That might just be me. But sometimes you get the lesser known ones. You open it up and the Bluetooth name is like just random gibberish. If you're in a busy place, it can be hard to try and set it up. But it is a clear name, so I give them that. I did notice when I took the headphones out the case for the second time, they do drop in magnetically, which is nice. Just satisfying because it just holds them in place. But let's have a little listen. Let's get some music on. Don't know why I'm overthinking what I'm going to listen to. But yeah, let's go for Ed Sheeran first. Okay. Oh wow. That. Okay, so listening to Ed Sheeran a little bit more, which is just a song that makes me laugh. So I thought, go this. It was just straight there. Bassier than what I thought it would be, considering they're not in my ears. It's clear. It's loud. It's almost like they're just in the room because I'm not actually got anything in my ear. I wish to love you. Every day I hate you just a little more. Okay, I'm going to switch over to Biffy Clyro. Skip forward a little bit because it has a bit of an intro. It's the captain. Okay. Hi. I mean, it's really clear. Yeah, everything from the snare, the guitar, vocals, it's all pretty clear. I'm impressed. More impressed than what I thought it was going to be. Because like I said, they're not in my ear at all. I mean, you can see where they are. I don't know how they look. How do they look? Do they look ridiculous? You tell me. Because you're probably going to see this after, but before I see it, because when I've stopped recording, I'm then going to look in the mirror. But, I mean, am I shouting? I feel like I'm shouting. Time isn't real, so we'll both see it at the same time, I guess. Love your letters, and I can't ride a horse. Okay, let's change up a little bit. I say a little bit, it's actually quite a lot, because this is, I've gone to Sweet Disposition by the Temper Trap, which is, sounds really nice. The vocals on it at the start are like quite high pitched and soft, and it's a beautiful song. If you've not heard it, give it a listen. Temper Trap, the Sweet Disposition. But yeah, I like the fact that I have nothing in my ears and it sounds really good. I'm impressed. I mean, could I run with them? Could I work out with them? Probably. I mean, they're not going anywhere. Ugh! So probably better than actual in-ear dizzy headphones. But yeah, no, I like them a lot. I do want to see how they look because I'm not going to wait. I was going to wait, but I can't. Yeah, I'm not loving the look, but I'm not hating it either. They just kind of look like weird piercings. Maybe I can adjust. You can put them down a bit, I suppose. Do that. Oh, that feels less comfortable. Pinching a little bit. But yeah. Okay, stay tuned for the full review. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below where to pick them up. I'm trying not to sing along to this song. It really makes me smile. Yeah, subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check the link in the description. Really happy these are staying in while I do some housework because, wow, yeah, these are good. Thank you, Soundpeats. Yeah. Oh, yeah, subscribe. Did I say that? I did say that. Won't stop till it's over.